what's up guys? We're going to be working on my brother's 2004 STI. And we're going to be wrapping the roof. Right now he's washing it, getting rid of all that dirt. And then after that we're going to be installing a lip, which is in that box over there. We're going to be tinting his headlights as well. So yeah, so enjoy. Right now we're clay barring the roof just to get rid of all the contaminants and dirt that you cannot see. And it's important to do this because once you lay the wrap on there and it's settled, you're gonna see like little bubbles or just little spots, and that's just because it's dirty and you didn't clean it up. So if you guys want to work on your car and you don't really have tools, you guys should go to Harbor Freight. They have really cheap tools, you know, so you don't need to have to buy anything expensive. You know, you're not going to be working on your car every day, so I recommend Harbor Freight.
How much? How much?
Alright guys, so I'm right now about to start wrapping my brother's roof, but first I'm going to show you some of the materials you need. This is not going to be a tutorial, I'm just going to give you a little bit of tips to help you, because I'm not like a pro at wrapping, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let me show you. So what you're going to need is a knife. You're going to need a squeegee of some sort. I like to use this one because it doesn't scratch the material. For some reason they told me that this is not going to scratch it, but it does, so I don't like to use this. You're going to need a clay bar to clean off all the dirt on the surface, a heat gun, and then this tool's to cut the wrap, and then that's pretty much it. Oh, and some magnets, and then obviously you're going to need wrap. And I'm only going to peel off half of it just because it's easier to apply. Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day and we finished the wrap. It was a little bit hard, and let me show you the results right now. So this is a wrap. That was a struggle to put this on, and it came out decent. There's like some little minor areas that we messed up. Well, I messed up. So one of them is like right here, has a hole, and then there's just some wrinkles on here. So right now we're about to install this lip, and I'll see you guys soon. So this is the hardware that the lip came with, and you can see it's a little bit too small to fit this bolt in, so we're gonna have to drill each hole. The egg came first. No, you said the chicken or the egg, and I'm telling you the egg. Hey Brian, you need to do a transformation Tuesday. Hey Brian, does the lip look nice? Is there any gaps?
No.
Don't lie to me. So this is the headlight without the tint, and now we're about to tint it, and you'll see the results in a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Alright, ready for it? Stretch it.
Yeah, do it that way. This side came out a lot easier. Do it.
So we just finished wrapping his headlight, and I'm gonna remove the film now. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you guys next time. So my hands look like this, so she can look like this.